Okay, let's get in today's sale, shall we? Let's talk about that. You can't see that. You can't see that either. Oh, look at them hand carvings. That is beautiful. On that hand carved jade pendant, on that beautiful silver chain. That's hot. That's real hot. Okay, let's get into this DIY bracelet bag. It comes along with some beautiful handmade beads and some pave beads to give it a little accent. And it also comes along with another bag of extra beads just in case, and then these pretty black spacer beads and these rose gold spacer beads, and then the gold crimps at the end so you can squeeze the stretchy stuff. Squeeze it so it doesn't come apart. Okay, let's get into this. Yep, stretch, let it go. No breakage. I like these are my favorite ones. So all of that and a lobster clasp, which is not on here, comes along with it. Let's get into these orange ones. These orange ones is so cute, and they're so dangly and shiny and simple and light. And we go straight to the green because I'm obsessed. Look at these chandeliers. Oh, and look at that crown silver in the middle along with that. Oh, thank you guys.